Unlock the secret to strong bones. How calcium transforms your health. Ever wondered why some people maintain strong, resilient bones even as the years go by, while others face fractures and bone loss? The answer often lies in a single powerful mineral, calcium. This essential nutrient isn't just another supplement on the shelf. It is the foundation of bone health. The role of calcium in your body is far more crucial than you might think, and its impact on your long-term health is truly transformative. As we explore the science behind calcium, you'll discover why it's considered a true game-changer in the quest for lifelong bone strength. Enjoyed this content? Then don't miss out on the other videos on my channel. I'm sure you'll find something that catches your interest. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way, you'll stay updated with all the new content and help the channel grow even more. I'm counting on you. Bones are much more than the rigid structure that supports our bodies. They are living tissues, which are constantly renewing and rebuilding themselves. This continuous process is fueled by calcium, which forms the matrix that gives bones their strength and density. Without enough calcium, this matrix begins to deteriorate, leading to brittle bones that are prone to fractures. But here's the crux. Your body can't produce calcium on its own. It must be absorbed from the food you consume, making your food choices a matter of bone survival. The right balance of calcium can mean the difference between strong bones and a future of fragility. You may ask, why is calcium so important for bones? The answer lies in the very structure of our skeletal system. Calcium acts like the bricks of a wall, forming the base of bones. When your diet lacks enough calcium, your ever-resourceful body begins to pull this vital mineral from your bones to support other functions, such as muscle contraction and nerve transmission. Over time, this removal weakens your bones, setting the stage for osteoporosis and other bone problems. In essence, neglecting calcium intake is like slowly eroding a building's foundation. It's only a matter of time before it collapses. But the story doesn't just end with calcium. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in ensuring that your body can absorb and utilize calcium effectively. Without enough vitamin D, all the calcium you consume may be in vain, as your body won't be able to take full advantage of it. This dynamic duo, calcium and vitamin D, work together to protect your bones and maintain their density over the years. Ignoring the importance of any of these elements is like missing a key piece in the bone health puzzle. Prevention of osteoporosis begins long before the first signs of bone weakness. Adopting a diet rich in calcium from an early age is an investment in the future. Foods such as dairy, green leafy vegetables, and certain fish are high in calcium and should be consumed regularly. In addition, the sun is your best source of vitamin D, which helps in the absorption of calcium. Incorporating these eating and lifestyle habits can be the key to avoiding bone problems later in life. Finally, it is worth considering that in some situations, calcium supplementation may be necessary, especially for those who have difficulty getting enough calcium from diet alone. However, it is important to remember that supplementation must be done with medical guidance to avoid excess, which can lead to other health problems. With a balanced and informed approach, you can ensure that your bones remain strong and healthy, allowing you to live an active life without limitations. These are the reasons why calcium is a true game changer when it comes to bone health. By understanding its importance and taking proactive steps to ensure your adequate intake, you not only protect your bones from fragility, but also invest in your long-term quality of life. Don't wait until you feel the first signs of weakness. Start strengthening your foundation with calcium now.